Let us discuss the definitions of quadrilaterals. In this tutorial, we're going to just look at the overview of the 6 quadrilaterals, and then the lessons that are going to follow, we're going to look at each quadrilateral. Right, we're going to look at these 6: the parallelogram, the rectangle, the rhombus, the square. These 4 are parallelograms. And then we're going to look at the other 2, which is the trapezium and the kite. And then in the next lessons, we're going to look at each quadrilateral in detail. We have a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel and equal, meaning that this side is parallel to this side, and then this side is parallel to this side. See that? So we have 2 pairs of opposite sides parallel, and also these opposite sides are what? Are equal. This side is equal to this side, and then this side is equal to this side. That is a parallelogram. We have a rectangle. Is a rectangle a parallelogram? It is a parallelogram because this side is parallel to this side and also equal. These 2 are equal. And then this side is parallel to this side and they are also equal in length. You see, so a rectangle is a parallelogram. But what makes it special? Why is it called a rectangle then? It is because of the interior angles. The interior angles are what? Are 90 degrees. So a rectangle is a parallelogram with interior angles which are 90 degrees. We have the rhombus. A rhombus, is it a parallelogram? Yes, it is a parallelogram because this side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. And then these opposite sides are equal. Actually, all the sides are equal for a rhombus. So the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this is a parallelogram. So why is it called a rhombus? Because of what? Because of the fact that all the sides are equal. So it's a parallelogram with equal sides. And then we have a square. Is a square rectangle? Is a square parallelogram? Yes, it is a rectangle. It is a parallelogram. It is a rectangle because the interior angles are 90 degrees. It is a parallelogram because the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Is it a rhombus? Is a square a rhombus? We can say it is a rhombus because it said a rhombus is a parallelogram with equal sides. And the square is a parallelogram with equal sides. Okay, so a square is a rhombus also. It is a rectangle, it is a parallelogram, it is a rhombus. It is a rectangle with equal sides. A square is a rectangle with equal sides. Or you can say it's a rhombus with interior angles of 90 degrees. So these 4, we can classify them as parallelograms. And then we have the other 2. We have what? We have the trapezium. What is a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral with 1 pair of opposite sides parallel. Not equal, just parallel. So like this side is parallel to this side. That's a trapezium. You can also have what we call an isosceles trapezium, which is like this. This side is parallel to this side, and then these 2 sides are equal in length, but they're not parallel. They're equal in length. So a trapezium is 1 pair of opposite sides parallel. And then the last one, which is the kite. Kite, we have what? 2 pairs of adjacent sides equal. What are adjacent sides? Adjacent sides are sides that are next to each other. They share a common vertex. Like this, these 2 sides are equal. They share a common vertex there. Then these 2 sides are equal there. They share a common vertex. So these are adjacent sides. So a kite has 2 pairs of adjacent sides equal. Opposite sides for a kite are not equal. Like this side and this side. These are opposite. They are not equal. So these are the quadrilaterals we're going to deal with. And then in our next tutorials, we're going to look at the parallelogram.